Welcome back, it's Gray Shirt Guy, rocking the gray shirt as always. You're like, man, it's Monday, I don't want to hear your chimes. Just open the packs, find me good stuff. A Moments piece. Actually, no, that's a huge tree, and she's not that big. Oh my god, I did one of these. I feel so dumb. Moving on, we're in Hunger. Patrol Hound, another hound. Sacred Rites. Dwarven Grunt, Aven Windreader, Wild Mongrel, Hallowed Healer, Dusk Imp, Obsessed, zoom in, Auramancer, Fervent Denial, a Druid's Call, talking to those squirrels, and a Magma Vein, sacrifice a land to, oh, okay. And our rare is, Deserted Temple, and a foil, Firebolt. That is a very, very, very pretty foil. Nice. I like it. Sorry, just playing with it. Okay, all right. Deserted Temple. Add one colorless mana to your mana pool. Pay one to tap untap target land, which is worth $14. Nice. But you know, this is priceless right here. I mean, this is probably not priceless. You could probably find an exact price for this, but to me, it's priceless. It's, you know, I have this paint on my finger all night last night. I didn't even realize it. Moving on to the Torment Pack, because that's exactly why all of you are actually here. Starting off just like last week. Shades Form, Longhorn Firebeast, Spirit Flare, Organ Grinder, The Veteran, Another Aven, Cabal Ritual, Acorn Harvest, Coral Net. I just don't like Coral Net. Karen Rats, Chainer's Edict. That's a couple bucks. Temporal Insanity. Finally got a Cabal Coffers, which is worth $40. The only thing that can make this day better is if there's a foil back here. If it's a foil Cabal Coffers, this is just going to be the best pack in all of existence, in all Torment. But I finally have a Cabal Coffers because surprisingly, I don't have one. And this is the first one I ever got. I was like, I'm gonna buy a box of Torment and get a Cabal Coffers, and I got a Cabal Coffers. Ambassador Laquatus, Merfolk Legend. Target player puts the top 3 cards of his or her library into his or her graveyard. Okay. And our rare, Petrivarch foil. I didn't say our rare, our foil is a Petrivarch foil. But we got Cabal Coffers. And he's just gonna stay there for the rest of the episode. He's there to remind you that today is not lost. And we actually finally got a Cabal Coffers. Deep within the Cabal's vault, the Mirari pulses like a dead sun, and its darkness radiates across Ortoria, which I don't know what Ortoria is, but yeah, there's a Mirari. I don't know why a Mirari is so dark. Chill out, Mirari. So excited. All right, let's get some Grave Consequences in. Even Warcraft, all right. Hey, they're playing Warhammer 40k. Filth, and our rare is Dwarven Blood Boiler. Okay, tap it on tap dwarf, you control target creature gets +1. You know what? This might go into the Boros Dwarf vehicle deck I was making. Sure. The Fogbear, the Vines, Embershot, Firebeast, Tiger, Sunhawk, Dwarf, Drake, Led Astray, the Bully, and Gilded Strike, or Guided Strike. But yes, we finally got there. I don't know what episode this is. I think it's in the 20s, the 20-ish episode. We finally got a Cabal Coffer. So this means that the rest of the box is going to be even worse. I don't know, we got a lot of foils, so pretty good too. Anyways, I hope you all have a great day. And this is just, I don't know, this is just a beautiful card, not bent at all. It's just so pretty. I like it so much. A little warped, but it's so pack fresh. It doesn't really smell like anything, but the old art frame, the symbol, that's delightful. Anyways, hope you have a great day. See you around.